There are people on YouTube who are making thousands of dollars and some over $50,000 per month without actually making videos. This wasn't possible just a few months ago, but now anyone has an opportunity to make money on YouTube even without making any videos at all. I'll show you a couple of examples to give you options to choose from so that you can also profit from this opportunity while it lasts as soon as possible. Like this channel, for example, called The World According to AI, is getting thousands of views from videos which are all generated by AI by just typing a few prompts in just a few minutes. This channel is one of the few examples to come which is generating thousands of views or averaging 250,000 views per video and making money from these kind of videos or by just typing simple prompts using AI. It's just crazy what AI is capable of. The only limit there is to make money with AI is your imagination. If we take this channel alone, for example, it has gained over 40 million views in the last 30 days from these AI videos, and it has made an estimated revenue of over $50,000 all from just a few minutes of typing prompts, which anyone can easily do. You don't need to know how to make videos, how to edit, or how to create thumbnails or any of that stuff, because all that is done for you. You just simply need to capture a screenshot you like from the video and you use that as your thumbnail, and voila, that's literally it. You can also make thousands of dollars just simply doing that, like what this channel is doing. There are also other channels like Bigfoot Boy, Yet Boy Fred, Bigfoot Vlog, which have also just started doing the same thing, and they are already monetized and making money off of their AI generated videos in less than a month. Others are generating videos showing what it would be like if Bible characters were influencers or had the technology that we have today, and they are also generating thousands of views and making money from that. So like I said, your imagination is the only limit here, because you can generate anything you want and make money from that without you making any videos yourself or showing your face. Now you might be wondering to say, how can you also make these videos yourself and also profit from this revolution as soon as possible? Well, all you need to use is softwares like Google's VO3 or Inverto AI video generation software, and you simply input prompts or a story-like type of thing, and these softwares will generate the final video for you. If you are lazy, you could even use ChatGPT or other AIs that you like to generate the prompts or scripts for you, and it's literally easy as that. If you want me to make a full detailed breakdown on how to do this step by step, comment down below. Or if you want to check out how Mr. Beast, who is one of the biggest creators on YouTube and a billionaire, literally taught people how to get rich like him but nobody noticed, then click this video.